Hello again, everybody. Another job order, and this is located at Chiyoda Ward, Tokyo. The job description for this is installation. It's installation of ozone generators and food-related equipments. So we need two people for this job. So again, this is a installation job. Uh, the salary for this would be from 188,000 yen to 215,000 yen. There will be bonus also for this job, and we need two people for this. So again, this is an installation job located in Chiyoda Ward, Tokyo. The working time for this would be from 9 a.m. to 17:30. So if you are interested for this job, this is installation job, just comment down below, or you can also call our number at 0362068058. If you we conduct everyday job fair interview at our main office at Kanda Station. So if you want to come for interview, just let us know. Or if you are far from our office, we also have branch office at Osaka, at Shin Osaka Station. So if you want to come for interview, just let us know. Or we also we have online interview also if you are far from one of our offices. Thank you very much.